Hello everybody, once again welcome back to my channel. So today we will see that how we can download and install Office 365 in our computer system. So for that we will first visit on the Chrome browser. So I'm just going to open Chrome browser, and here we will search for the Office 365 download. So here will be the first link, which is a download Office Microsoft 365. So we will click here, and here's the options of download now. So we will simply click here, and here is another options, which is like you want to download for the Windows or you want to download for the Mac OS. So it totally depends on your computer system. That I am a user of Windows, so I'm just going to download for the Windows. So it will download and it will take a little bit time. After successfully download whatever the tools we have downloaded Office setup, so we will have to install in our computer system. So first we will install it, then we will see the another option. So now it has already successfully installed in our computer system. Now the second option is that we will go search for the PowerShell, and in PowerShell we will run as an administrator, right? So we are just going to open PowerShell, and now here will be the options, like we will have to give here some instructions to activate Office 365 tool. So I'm just going to type here like IRM https colon then forward slash get dot activated dot win and IEX. So now it will start taking the informations of whole the computer system, and it will show the options to just download and install. That's why, as we can see here, there's a second option, which is the Office hook. So we have clicked as 2, then first for the installations. So it will start installation. It will start installations process. It is taking the some of the system informations and tool, whatever the tool we have downloaded. So it is the latest version. So it will take a little bit time. It totally depends on your computer internet. So now we can see that our Office 365 has permanently activated, right? So here now the whole process has been completed. Now we will check that is it actually working or not. So now latest version of Windows is has successfully installed, right? So if you really loved this video, so please do thumbs up and your valuable comment, and thanks for watching.